Hi, this is Paul Acevedo with Windows Phone Central, here with a video review of the MiniSuit BluBoard, a wireless universal Bluetooth keyboard that is compatible with Windows 8 and RT as well as Android and iOS. Alright, so you can see the keyboard has a built-in folio case attached by magnets here, 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 here. Yep. And it unrolls like so. The cool thing about this keyboard is that it is a full-sized PC keyboard. Obviously it doesn't have the number pad, but these are real-size keys. Control is not in the exact bottom left corner. It's got a function key right there, which takes a little getting used to, but at least there is still one over to the left. Arrow keys, enter, delete. Over on the side here we have the micro USB port. Mine didn't come with enough charge to use, so we're going to plug it in, charge it. Now you can clearly see it's charging by the color of the red light. Now the MiniSuit BluBoard is compatible with the Surface RT and the Surface 2 RT. Let's see how it looks when we put it in there. It just goes right in the clip and sits quite comfortably. Rotate, get a good look at the side joint there. And it's sturdy. It's not going to fall out on its own. You would have to really be pushing it or shake it a lot to get it to come out. You can also orient the tablet vertically like this and it will hold it just fine. Although most of us are going to be using Windows 8 in landscape mode, obviously. Unfortunately, the Surface Pro is a little bit too thick to fit in, so won't go all the way in there. And my Surface RT is not actually working right now, so I'm going to have to demonstrate the features of the keyboard using the Surface Pro. To find the Bluetooth settings on your Windows 8 or RT device, you swipe to the right to bring up the Charms menu, push Settings, go to Change PC Settings, then PC and Devices, and finally you'll find the Bluetooth menu. So it's really hidden in there, not very convenient, unfortunately. Now I've already got Bluetooth switched on, so it's looking for Bluetooth devices. Now I turn on the keyboard, press and hold the Bluetooth connection button, and now my Surface has seen the keyboard. Bluetooth keyboard case, ready to pair. Push pair. So I've got to type in these numbers on the keyboard. Push enter. Now it's begun the process of pairing. Takes a little while. Okay, the keyboard is connected. Now once I've done that, let's go to the web browser. The command button here acts as the Windows key, takes you back here. Here is Alt down here. I can Alt tab between the two different things. Let's just type in the URL of my favorite website again, wpcentral.com. Works brilliantly. Up here we have a few function buttons that do automatically work, so you can turn your volume up and down with ease. This is the home button here. It seems to take you to your home page, which I don't actually have set up. So that's something. Some of these keys are supposed to do stuff like this is supposed to be the software keyboard button, but it doesn't actually do that in Windows. If you're using it with an iPad, however, it would do that. Here's the search button, which does work with Windows 8 and brings up your Bing search thing there. The advantage of the BluBoard compared to the official type cover for the Surface would be that it's much cheaper. It sells for $40 right now at Amazon. You can also buy it from MiniSuit's website. And also it works with other devices that support Bluetooth keyboards. Unfortunately, Windows Phone doesn't support Bluetooth keyboards yet, but you can use this with any other tablet you own that supports Bluetooth 3.0, and that is a really great feature. When you're done, just switch it off, folds up nicely. Let's make a little size comparison too. Compared to the actual type cover, It is just ever so slightly bigger. You know, it is about a centimeter, maybe a little bit less than a centimeter longer, but takes up almost the exact same footprint. So it is really well designed for 10-inch and below tablets. So that's the MiniSuit BluBoard Universal Bluetooth Keyboard. Although it is not as highly tailored to Windows devices as a Windows-specific keyboard, especially the official Surface keyboards, it is still a really nice keyboard. It does everything you would need a keyboard to do, and it's very versatile. So I like it a lot. Thanks for watching. Read the full review at wpcentral.com.